Hello everyone, this is a short update on KPIT Technologies Q2 FY22 results. Directly here is a financial statement in front of you. As you can see, the quarterly revenue stands at 590 crore and the net profit for the period stands at 65 crore, which is much higher than the previous year's same quarter. September 2020 quarter, for the obvious reasons. Okay, the fundamental analysis of the company is available on the channel. Link is in the description box. Company has given the investor update and presented this data in a very lucid and easy format for investors to understand. I would like to go through that investor presentation or the investor update which the company filed with the exchanges. So we'll go through that to understand it in a better way. Here is one picture in front of you. KPIT Q2 FY22 US dollar revenue grows 23% YOY. EBITDA margin 17.5. Revenue growth outlook increased to 18 to 20% for FY22. Q2 FY22 EBITDA at 17.6, okay, compared to 17.3 last quarter. Net profit for the quarter is 65 crore, again 60 for the last quarter. YOY growth is impressive, 134%, and QOQ is 8.1% in the net profit. Q2 FY22 reported revenue at US dollar 80 million at a constant growth of 4.8% QOQ. Okay. These are some other parameters. These facts, basically EBITDA margin in terms of percentage, revenue in millions of dollars, net cash in billion rupees. That is there in front of you. तो ये थोड़ा एक a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 11 quarters का एक overview आपके सामने है, which shows increasing trend. Cash is also increasing with the company, which is around now 933 crores. Okay, cash. Revenue is also okay, deep आया था, and now again it is on the increasing trajectory. EBITDA is improving and it is like across 10 quarters it is highest recorded in this quarter. So that is one of the important point which we can take away. Okay, one more picture. This now this is kind of update apart from the financials quickly. Strategic engagement. KPIT wins multi-million-dollar strategic engagement from a leading European car manufacturer in the electric powertrain domain. So 5 years of software development and integration work. इनको एक engagement, the kind of contract they have got from the major European car manufacturer. Again, major development. KPIT and ZF form a development cooperation for industry-leading middleware solution. Now, software-defined vehicles, it's already discussed in the fundamental analysis of this company. The next mobility solutions or car solutions, it will be heavily relied on the digital platforms, algorithms, calculations, big data, data analytics. All these things will be integrated with the mobility solutions. And that is where this company comes into picture. It's not just about the direction and maps, it's also about the internal energy management, battery management system, manufacturing, supply chain, energy management, and so on. Including the speed, velocity, wear and tear of the parts. Everything is getting measured in this evolving era of Internet of Things and network connected things. So there the company has at a very sweet spot, and definitely you can look after this company from the long term perspective as well, and particularly when we look at the emerging electric ecosystem, electric vehicles, and also apart from electric vehicles also ये जो mobility solutions एक आ रहा है ना, I mean the shared cars, cab aggregators and this third party logistics, और ये commercial vehicles का एक नया trend चल रहा है, so that there this company can play an important role. Okay. Again, back to this discussion, the continual increase in the software complexity coupled with the high performance computing infrastructure needs robust and dependable middleware solution. The lack of such solution can potentially delay the vehicle development and escalate technology spends. Okay, KPIT paired with ZF's strong understanding of the vehicle system, a mature modular middleware solution which can be deployed across OEMs and represent a transformative opportunity for the mobility ecosystem. This cooperation will also bring on board solutions from other technology companies including semiconductor specialists, software companies, cloud services and startups. Point is that scalable platform hai, the platform which company makes software as a service or software, it can be scaled to multiple areas of the vehicle manufacturing and even after sales service. So that is one business model ऐसा है कि which is scalable. Again, one more picture. New engagement. A leading European car manufacturer selected KPIT for multiple strategic engagements. A leading car manufacturer from Europe for strategic program in the autonomous driving domain. A leading American car manufacturer selected KPIT for multiple engagements in electric and conventional powertrain areas. A leading Asian OEM selected KPIT for key engagement in autonomous driving domain. A leading Asian cab aggregator selected KPIT for a program in digital connected solutions domain. So these are some of the areas, again one more major development, KPIT and the future mobility solutions from Germany will acquire the balance 75% shareholding over a period of 3 years, with the majority shareholding expected to be acquired in the last quarter of financial year 22-23. Okay, okay, they have done one acquisition. So this is broad overview of KPIT results. कंपनी का ग्रोथ और वो उसके ऊपर आप ज़्यादा उससे फोकस देने से अच्छा है. I mean the numbers instead of numbers, डेट तो जीरो है. डेफिनेटली कंपनी के ऊपर डेट कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा. इट्स एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस. कैश कंपनी के पास 933 करोड़ है नेट कैश, विच हाईएस्ट इन पास्ट 2-3 years. और द एरिया इन विच द कंपनी इज एंगेज, दैट सीम्स इंटरेस्टिंग. Up stock is around 420-430 rupees and price earning ratio is 53, which is fairly valued looking at the technology domain in which they are serving. It seems fairly valued. So you can again analyze the company from your end and take your own call. And definitely the domain in which the company is operating is interesting. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives and like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Follow us on Twitter at The Breakeven, Instagram page at The Breakeven Point. Thank you.